Morning, mate. Let's get started.
Hello and welcome to Project Management 101, where we simplify construction and give you the tools to lead with confidence. Every construction project is a complex balancing act. Deadlines, budgets, stakeholders, contracts, approvals, and on-site delivery all moving at once. At the center of it all, the project manager. The PM is the engine room of a project, responsible for keeping everything running smoothly from initial planning through construction, handover, and closing everything out neatly at the end when the job's done. Sounds like a big job, and it is. But what exactly does that look like in practice? Module 1 of our training series explores this very question, with the purpose of establishing a baseline of knowledge and a solid foundation to build upon as we progress through the following modules and your technical skills grow. Starting from first principles, you'll learn the key responsibilities, competencies, skills, mindset, and fundamentals of project management. We'll discuss time, money, and quality, the 3 pillars of project success. We then get granular, unpacking communication, organization, and time management strategies to position you for successful leadership. We'll set you up for project delivery with all the operational basics, from structuring your project folder and email inbox to organizing your daily action list and managing your calendar. And when it comes to software, in this day and age, there are plenty of great tools available. And throughout the series, I'll flag where, when, and why some of them can be helpful. But the truth is, you don't need fancy tools to run a smooth project. In my career, I've often found that the simplest approach is the most effective. With just a few basic PC functions and common Microsoft programs, you can achieve everything you need without spending a fortune. So in this training, that's exactly what I'll show you. A no-frills, practical way to get the job done so you can, as my mum would always say, save your pennies. These topics, along with the latest tips, tricks, and techniques used by the pros in the construction industry today. On that note, some of you watching are already established professionals, kicking goals in the industry. And though you might feel inclined to skip ahead to some of the more technical modules in the series, I would encourage you to watch this first one through. Even the most experienced leaders can benefit from hearing the fundamentals once in a while. Hopefully even learn a thing or two. Okay, so why does all of this matter? Well, because the project manager is the glue, holding the vision, the people, the process, and the outcomes together. Understanding these core components from the outset builds a clear respect for the mission ahead. Even with the right knowledge, tools, and support, managing a construction project has always and will always be a complex and demanding task. By setting these expectations early, you'll have the context to decide whether this is a challenge you're ready to take on yourself or one best delegated to others. And there's nothing wrong with that. In fact, effective delegation is one of the key skills we'll explore in detail throughout this series. So whether you're on the builder or developer side, tradie or corporate, student or simply someone interested in learning how construction projects are professionally managed and delivered, you've landed in the right place. We're about to guide you step by step through the entire process. Alright team, with that said, let's begin our journey together.
Module 1. Foundations.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe so you never miss any of our latest content. We'd also love to hear from you. Drop a comment with any topics you want us to cover next, and we'll tackle the ones that matter the most to you. And if you're ready to take your project management to the next level, join our online community for access to hundreds of templates, documents, and resources. Everything you need to manage and deliver your construction projects with confidence. All right, team, link below in the description. I'll catch you on the inside. Bye.